welcome to the Blend of Flavors. I'm Marlon Gerson, and today we're gonna do something special for you. A margarita, but this one's called Las Brisas Margarita. Why it's Las Brisas and why it's Blend of Flavors, the classic margarita, as you know, always you need tequila, always you need salt, you need lemon, and you need orange liquor. But in this section, we're gonna blend flavors from the whole world. Then this occasion, we're gonna use Chambord from France. This is a blackberry liquor instead of the orange liquor. So this is why this one's different for you guys, okay? First step on your Las Brisas Margarita, obviously is a decoration, but it's a lot of flavor in it too. To start, in Spanish, you call it escarchar, okay? So you take the lemon and you moist the glass so the salt can stick. We have salt prepared here for you guys. Look at this. So you turn your cup. Okay, as you can see, it's ready. It looks gorgeous, but it tastes better than that. Look at it. In the shaker, shake it, baby. You have to put some ice. There you go. Couple of ice. Tequila. 3 parts of tequila. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going for the Chambord from France. It smells gorgeous, this liquor, but obviously more sweet. So 1 part of it, and 2, remember, 3 parts of tequila, 2 parts of your favorite liquor. This time is Chambord. Here we go. And 1 part of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. There you go. Oh my God. Ready. But then you put the shaker and you do it. Watch it. Shake it, baby. Blend. Blend your flavors. Here we go. Okay.